Hey, I'm Luke. Today we're installing exterior wood cladding on my home in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're using a thermally modified wood product. It has a beautiful natural appeal to it. This was installed in a horizontal fashion. This is a nickel gap that we're installing it for that spacing that we're looking for. The thing I want to talk about to you right now is the type of fastener that you should use with any exterior wood product, and that is going to be a stainless steel trim nail. We have chosen a trim nail, again, for the size of it, but in this application, because of having a tongue and groove, creating that nickel gap, we're able to primarily conceal the majority of any fasteners that you would see. Stainless steel is important, however, because you don't want to have any streaking in that beautiful finish that you've chosen for your home. So stainless steel will not rust, you will not have any corrosion issues. Also, with the environment and whatever environment that you're installing in, stainless steel will ensure that that product and that fastener will not rot away. So always choose the right fastener for your exterior applications.